Hi all, namaste, welcome to my channel, and today I'll be sharing my Nykaa Pink Friday haul. So let's get started. So first is from the Nykaa Lux store. I have got a lot of products from Nykaa Lux store, and also I've got some free gifts from it. I have tried most of them and I'll also share my reviews on it. So let's get started. So first one is this Born This Way foundation. I had the concealer, so I just thought of getting my foundation. I got the shade Warm Sand. It's a little bit darker for me, but the undertone is perfectly fine, so that's why I mix it with a lighter foundation and make it use. Today I've been wearing this foundation. It's a beautiful foundation. It's a medium to buildable finish and it sits very nicely, looks very natural. After a while it becomes little dewy, but still you can powder your face and set it. It is not very matte, it is, you can say that it has a radiant finish. So after a while it's your face starts to glow, and I absolutely love this foundation. Applies very nicely, and soon it has become one of my favorite ones. Next is the concealer from Too Faced. I got in the shade Sand. This is my exact shade. It is golden undertone. It's a full coverage concealer. I had the shade Golden Beige with me earlier. It is little bit light for me. I can still work it out, but if I mix both of them it gives a perfect shade for me. So I highly recommend these. Then I got this Becca Hydra Mist setting powder. I got a sample size of it and I liked it so much that I had to order the full size. This is a 10-gram product. I know that the product is very less, for around 3000, but I got at 20 to 25% off. I'll put up the price, but this powder is so beautiful. It's very finely milled. It sets the makeup so nicely. It looks so natural on skin. I have tried using one of my favorite setting powder at one side and this one at other side. I can clearly see it gives such a nice effect to your face. It just sets. It's like it's your next skin. So I absolutely love that. If somebody wants to invest on a high-end powder, you can definitely go for this. I got these three sample sizes from Becca. One was a prime, and these two are the correct and like a lighter correct and a medium to dark correct shade. I have used all three of them. The primer is a hydrating primer, so it just gives hydration. It doesn't do anything for pore. So if you have pores, then you have to use a pore filling primer, but this will not work. I had a lot of issue with this corrector. It has shimmer particles in it, so I don't understand. If I want to correct, it's an orange type of a corrector, why should I use shimmer particle to it? Because my entire under eye looks very glittery and everywhere throughout my face. It just spread around in all my face. I didn't like it, so I will not recommend these products. And this one also, you can get good one from drugstore. You just don't need it. Then I got this Becca Small highlighter in the shade Opal. This shade is very good for medium to tan skin. Okay, I'll apply a little bit on my hands. But it is definitely a very good highlighter. It's not a subtle highlighter at all. Look at the glow. It also comes with a mirror. Oh my god, I'm looking like a disco ball. Okay, let me blend it. I think I'll look like this for the entire video, but that's fine. It's a very beautiful highlighter. It's a very stark highlighter. So if you want to go for a night look, you can definitely try this. After that, I got this Huda Beauty matte lipstick in the shade Bold Meeting. This is a very cool tone nude shade. So if you are somebody who like nude tones, you can definitely go for this. This is the shade. So I don't use it just like that on my face because it looks very ashy and very dull. So what I do is I use a little rust tone lip liner, and after that I apply this. Then it looks very beautiful. It's very creamy, very pigmented. It's a one stroke application. You will definitely find one shade which will suit you. Then I got some hair care, some of my skin care products, so I'll go through. So I got this Love Beauty and Planet combo in the variant argan oil and lavender. So these are the two. I have seen a lot of good reviews about this brand, so I wanted to try it. I have used it only once. It's paraben free, silicone free, no dye, and it has very nice ingredients as well. So I have to use it for some time to see how it works. Next, I also got a shampoo from Khadi Natural. I actually like the range from Khadi Natural. It's affordable and still it's very nice. I have used the Amla and Bringraj. I have a very oily scalp, so most of the shampoo doesn't clean it thoroughly, but I feel that this shampoo really cleans my scalp very nicely. It does make my hair very frizzy, but then you can apply a good leave-in conditioner to control the frizz, but otherwise it's a very nice affordable shampoo. Next, I restocked on my Nykaa Morula oil. I absolutely love Morula oils. I use it daily for my morning skincare. For my nighttime, I use the rosehip oil. Any kind of facial oil are very good for your skin, so definitely you can try this. Then I also restocked on my VLCC eye cream and absolutely love it. I have lost count of how many bottles I have of this eye cream. This is very creamy. I feel that it does lighten the under eye dark circles, so definitely I can recommend this one. Next, I got this Sebamed moisturizing cream on the recommendation of a YouTuber, and she raved so much about it that I had to try it. I have tried it just once, but then I was breaking out, so I just didn't want to try something new till my breakout reduces. So maybe I'll try it after some time and then I'll share my views on it. Then I got this Cosrx snail essence. I have got so many nice reviews about it, so I'll definitely try it and see how it works. I also got the Minimalist Alpha Arbutin Serum. I also haven't tried it and definitely try it and share my review. Then I also got a toner from Tony Moly. It was at 50% off, so definitely I tried that. It's from a Floria Natural Energy Toner, so I again have to use it and see how this works. Finally, I got some sheet masks from Tony Moly. Of all the brands of sheet masks, I absolutely love these masks because it's very hydrating. It's very creamy. It doesn't feel very sticky. It's absorbed very nicely. And in fact, after I use the mask, the remaining cream in the pouch, I use it the next day as my serum, and it does works very nicely. So I definitely recommend this Tony Moly mask. It was, I think, buy 5 get 5 free, and that's a good time to buy these masks. So those are all the products that I got from the Nykaa sale. Hope you liked the video, and if you like, then do like, share and subscribe to my channel. It will mean a lot. Thanks. Bye.